Anxiety, concern, disappointment, fear. These words could define our response to the troubling news we continue to hear about the novel coronavirus and the state of the world. I know I've had my fair share of down moments. Still, I feel fortunate to come to work each day at the University of Charleston with caring professionals who, like me, are dedicated to ensuring our campus is as safe as possible when the UC community returns for the fall semester. New safety measures are in place, and a campus culture of mask wearing has become the norm over the summer. While we don't see smiling faces as much as we're accustomed, we do see the attitudes and determination of all those on campus shine brighter than ever. While we continue to work diligently on our end, the UC campus is ultimately only as safe as you make it. Wear your mask, wash your hands, practice proper social distancing, and hold each other accountable. These are just a few of the ways we're counting on you to help lead us through a safe and successful academic year. Join our Mask Up Golden Eagles campaign. Wear a mask to protect those around you. Your actions today will keep you, your friends, your professors, and all of our staff safe and healthy tomorrow. Being responsible and taking these steps will change our defining words to encouraged, hopeful, optimistic, and determined. So mask up, Golden Eagles. We're going to get through this together.